Okay, so welcome back. Let's learn today step by step how you can earn over 300% on your Pendle and Ethereum, over 300% APR yield farming, which means liquid staking, and also how you can make over, what is that, on ARB and USDC over 200% APR, also yield farming, liquid staking, which means you can take your money anytime you want. Again, I'm going to explain you everything step by step. I'm going to provide liquidity and you will see how is everything done and what I am doing, which means make sure you stay to the end of the video. This is especially for everybody who are new, because I went to crypto conference just a week ago and I learned that nobody know what they're doing. Also, next thing, even if you think you know, maybe there are some secrets here where you can learn and going to be like a little missing piece of your puzzle. Okay, so without further delay, let's go on and make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. This is crypto field, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do your own research and don't put more money you can afford to lose. Okay, so in today's case, I like Pendle. Pendle for me is a very hot token and I want to keep for a long term. So that's the first thing. You need to understand what you want to keep for a long term. First, you need to have a wallet. Make sure you have Arbitrum or MetaMask, and make sure you use hardware wallet, Ledger or Keystone or wherever you use, make sure you use one. If you need a link, down in the description. Okay, next thing. Once you have your Arbitrum or once you have your MetaMask installed, make sure you have some money. Use your any kind of bridge, so you can bridge, or I'm using, let's say, Binance to send directly money to my Arbitrum network, okay, to my ARB network. Make sure you have Ethereum for the fees, and the fees on Arbitrum networks are extremely cheap. There are many different tools where you can do research, how you can find it, but here we're going to go straight to the point. In this case, you need also wallet, money, pairs, and also you need DEX, which means decentralized exchange. Today I'm going to use Camelot, and Camelot is, I've been using this one for the last few months, and again, I think it's a good one. It's paying very well, no issues so far, touch wood. Alright, so we don't go to some very shitty DEX who have like 1 million, below 1 million inside. This one have over 100 million trading volume and it's one of the best performance on Arbitrum network after Uniswap. Also, Uniswap is very, very good. Okay, so let's go and let's see. First, I want to go to Camelot. So this is Camelot. You go to earn, you go to pools, okay? I cannot find any daylight, which means it's dark, so make sure you watch very nicely. Okay, so this is the pools what they have, and you will see they have, like, let's go here at 50 per page, and you will see they have many pools, but the main stuff here is how much TVL they have and what's the trading volume. And the trading volume is always fluctuating. It depends how well is the market go. Now, when the market go down, the trading volume is up. Also, when the market go up, the trading volume is up. But when the market is like sideways, well, the trading volume is not so high. So in that case, we can still earn money, but a little bit less. But when the market go up or down, we can make a lot of fees, and I'm talking very good amount of fees. So let's say we want to aim into Pendle and Ethereum. DMT is a very good, it's a very good paying pool, but be careful there because I don't know DMTs. Do your research. So let's say we want to go to Pendle and Ethereum. Once you go here, you will see that the TVL right here, it says is 2.1 million trading volume and locked. We have a total value locked, and we have 1 million trading 24-hour volume. This number need to be bigger than this one, but today is lower because of the market is sideways. It depends when you watch this video. Now, just a week ago, this was around 6-7 million, and you see they earned 3.5 thousand bucks on fees. Okay, and this is the projected APR, but let's make more APR. Okay, so go here, go to create position. What you need to do is after that, you wait, make sure you wait. This is very slow. Okay, you go here, and then this is on the right side. You will see this is the range automatically set by you, and here you can go full range, wide, common, and narrow. If you go to wide range, you will see full. Don't go full. You will make a little bit money, just like what's not bad. You will see pretty much you will still make 13%, not bad at all, but we want to make more juicy APR. If you go to wide range, you have 20% up and 20% down. What's pretty good range, to be honest, is 80% APR. Again, 80% is much more than your bank pay you. But if you go to common, what's mean 10% up and 10% down, that's mean you earning 154% APR. If you go narrow, that's mean a little bit more riskier. It's 5% only up and down. That's mean 10% up and down. This means you can earn over around 300%. But what you need to do is you need to go to Dex Screener or any kind of tool where you can find your pool. Go find your pool right here and make sure you do some technical analysis. I say the best way to learn yield farming is if you join right here, Underdog Investor Group. Make sure you join there. By the way, just make a small interview with Lucas, who is the founder. It's a free course with hours and hours and hours for step by step what you need to do, especially if you're new. And if you want to join the VIP, make sure you say CryptoPhil and you use my link, because you'll get a nice percent, $50 cash back. Well done to Lucas for extending a discount for the CryptoPhil community. Okay, so let's go back. So this is right now the Dex Screener, and I just find out Pendle and WETH, and this is the pool. So I think the bottom right now have nice support. Again, this is just from the top of my head. This is what I'm looking. I'm not professional, but I can see have nice support 0016, and if you go out up, I would say 0017, but maybe 0018 right here have a nice support. So that's a little bit wider range, or maybe if you go a little bit lower, it's 0016 till 0018. Go back to the Camelot and you put here, you just sort, it's a 00160, and here you just put 00180, and then you will see it's 9% up and 5% down. So that's a pretty good range for me. For me, usually I'm putting around 20 till 30% range up and down, and in this case we're going to earn 230% APR with a little bit safer range. Okay, and here you will see that you need 66% Pendle of ratio and Ethereum 33%, which means you need to put some money. And if you go here max, have let's say 0.0015, that's like, I don't know, $10, $12, whatever, and here automatically going to give you 66% of your Pendle. Again, I'm using, you can go and swap here on Camelot, or you can just go and swap right here. There are different tools where you can zap in and all that stuff, but this is the most simple way what everybody need to learn first. You go here, you add your liquidity, and you just confirm. Make sure you use a ledger or any hardware wallet. Please use that. That's extremely important. Always revoke and disconnect after every single use. And here you will see I just add my Pendle and Ethereum liquidity. And also what you need to do then, you can go to earn position, and you will see your position right here. Where is the, you just wait a little bit. And also here you earning market makers. Market makers is extra money what they giving from the pool. Go and check right here. It's saying what's, but it doesn't say right now. When I earn some money I can show you. Okay, once you go to positions, go here to LPV3, make sure, and here you will see your range. I'm in range, your pool. My pool is Pendle Ethereum in range 233%. This will fluctuate. It depends. It can go up to 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, or can drop down to 150. I didn't see this one to drop down below 170 for the last 4 weeks, what is pretty juicy and nice. And here you will click here and you will see that this is how much money you have and this is how much you earn. If you want to unstake, go to unbid, go to 100% or whatever you want and just unbid, and then you are unstaking. And here you will see you start earning fees from after like a couple of minutes or a couple of hours. And that's about it. If you want to go, let's say for ARB and USDC, you go, you do exactly the same. You go, you put the range, and you say you, let's say you want to be between now it's 116. So you say, you know what, I don't think we'll drop below 0.05 and maybe 0.25. You know, it will be that range. You go, you do your TI, technical analysis. So because you will see if you go a month and a half ago, it's between 0.123 till $1, what is pretty good range to be honest. And if you put right there, let's see how much we can earn. And we're going to earn over 123%, and that is crazy. If you want to earn more, go to narrow. It's 5% up and down, but you're going to earn over 200%. But it's the chance to go out of your liquidity pools. It's way bigger. All right, so that's about it. Again, I'm going to do a separate video right now, what I'm going to post tomorrow for Solana pairs. Thank you so much. If you have any question, find me in my Telegram. Please join my Telegram and ask me any question you have, or the most important, leave in the down in the comment section. It's helped me a lot. Ask me any question, or let me know what pools are your favorite, where are you farming now, so we can I can go and check them out for my next video. Thank you so much. Don't put more money you can afford to lose, and this is not financial advisor. Make sure you smash the like, leave a comment, and share the video. Please share the video. Goodbye.